Good morning. We're from Temenos. My name is Dharmesh and this is Holger. Today we're going to address the key challenge that banks are facing. This is to deliver optimized customer experiences through to multiple channels and multiple devices. Well, some of you guys might be thinking we already do this. Well, what we're seeing today is new devices being launched almost on a daily basis. These devices have different screen sizes and different capabilities. You have to support all of these and also the old ones too. And what we're seeing from customers is that they want a personalized experience appropriate for every device. And you as the banks, well, you've got multiple products, multiple services to deliver through to multiple channels, through to multiple devices, for multiple users, for multiple brands, for multiple languages. See the problem? Well, we do. And that's why today we're launching at Finovate a live designer that will help you to manage these problems effectively and quickly. I'm going to hand over to Holger to show you exactly how.
Okay. Hello, good morning everybody. So first of all, I would like to show you a typical internet banking approach that you can find everywhere. You log in to the homepage and, for example, you have a Twitter widget available that shows the latest Twitter feeds of Temenos. You have your welcome information. You can drill down into product, into your accounts, and, for example, select the details of an account, go into the transfer screen, select the account you want to transfer money to, and you will find there are the account transfer details. And let's focus on that date picker that was clearly designed to be used with a mouse input device. So, but how does that look like if you want to use it on a tablet device? I will now run exactly the same functionality with a different presentation layer that has been designed for tablets. So if we now switch to the overhead camera, and if I launch that from here on my tablet, you can see here the same login screen available. The design was made for being used on tablets with a finger input. I drill down into the accounts as well. I will show you the accounts overview page and drill down to the details of an account. And when I'm into the details, for example, I have the same functionality available to execute a funds transfer, pick the account I want to transfer the money to. But this time you will realize that, for example, the input of the transaction date was actually designed to be used on a touchscreen device. So finally, mobile devices are out there as well. And mobile devices have a kind of smaller real estate on their screens. So actually here is the same user experience again, designed for mobile phones. And you will find we present same information, but for example here on the accounts overview, the list is a little bit different, contains less fields. So now, what happens if you add in new functionality? If you want to add that in, then we have the possibility here to add in a new service into all three presentation layers. Paste it in here, paste it in here, and paste it in here as well. So now, let's see what happens if we now run the tablet again. I will show it here. So open this up, log in again, and you will find that now there is an added functionality available for getting a stock quote that we have just added live from a core banking system that is connected. And you can see here that the screen content was designed for tablets with a lot of fields being shown. If we now switch again to tablet, to mobile, you will see that on the mobile phone, the same functionality is available in here, but this time automatically, as it was designed for mobile phones, it contains less fields. This was a standard design. If you want to change that, we would like to introduce the new Live Designer for now, which is a tool that can be used by, can we switch to the laptop, please? Yeah, there it is. So I can run my internet banking project having the Live Designer in place. I can navigate to the screen I want to change. For example, here the Get Quote screen that we have just introduced. And here you can see that you have the possibility to change look and feel of elements on that screen automatically with the Live Designer, and everything gets updated in real time. You can change that here, and you can add in as many design elements as you want, and you can change existing design elements on the fly, completely separated from the functionality. You as a bank can hand out this tool to a design agency to update presentation layers for your functionality without touching functionality at all. You keep the full control. So back to Dharmesh.
So, just to summarize, what we've seen today is we've seen internet banking delivered on 3 devices and the experience being optimized for each individual device. We've then added a new piece of functionality and we've seen it go live onto 3 separate devices without writing a line of code. Finally, we demonstrated with Live Designer the ability to change the customer experience for a specific device, again without writing code. Now, all of this, and it also sits on a platform that is proven and audited and benchmarked by global banks for its reliability, scalability, performance, security, the ability to render to different browsers automatically. This is all done by the underlying platform. We've got a lot more to show you and to tell you. Please come to the stand and we'd be happy to share that information with you. Thank you very much.